Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Farhan, and I'm very pleased to be here today to share my perspectives on a topic that I think is highly relevant in today's environment, the science of learning, and in particular, how to apply it to the workplace. So simply put, the science of learning is an interdisciplinary approach to understand learning. Here I'm showing you one conceptualization by leading researchers in the emerging field. They saw it as an interdisciplinary field contributed by psychology, neuroscience, machine learning, or artificial intelligence, and of course, education. So just to summarize the key takeaways, if you forget everything, don't forget this slide. So science of learning is an interdisciplinary approach to understand learning. Neuroscience research has debunked some of the common myths that we have about the brain and how it learns and performs. And I've provided some concrete applications of science of learning to the workplace. As you think about your workday, these are the different areas that can help with your work. Multitasking, emotion, granularity or emoji, and the role of sleep in enhancing well-being and performance.